Most people think being smart means memorizing facts, but you've seen them. Walking encyclopedias making dumb choices. High IQ still can't fix the Wi-Fi router. Smart isn't louder, it's calmer, sharper. Real smart, knowing different thinking. And these mental shifts? They beat 90% of people. No bragging, no shouting, just silent power. Today you'll learn 7 shifts of real intelligence. Shift 1. Stop arguing to win. Smart people don't fight, they ask. Most people argue like they're gladiators in an arena. They want to crush, prove, dominate. But smart people don't need trophies. They ask instead, what makes you feel that way? Questions open doors, attacks slam them shut. Most arguments are just ego fights. Smart people know ego never wins. Instead of shouting, they stay curious. Curiosity lowers defenses. People open up when they're not attacked. That's when truth shows itself. You don't change minds by defeating people. You change minds by understanding them. That's the real power move. Shift 2. Don't obsess over the moment. Zoom out. Most people treat failure like a full stop. Mess up one presentation, they spiral. One rejection, they shut down. Smart people don't call it failure, they call it data. They ask, what led to this? What pattern got me here? What can I tweak and try again? They treat life like a system, not a soap opera. Zoom out far enough and nothing is final. Everything is just feedback. Smart people grow faster because they don't waste time sulking. They're too busy tweaking the system. So don't obsess over the moment. Zoom out. See the big picture. Shift 3. Filter everything through one question. Can I control this? Most people stress about things they can't control. Traffic jams, opinions, weather. The more they try to control, the more they burn out. Smart people slice through the noise with one question. Can I control this? If yes, take action. If no, let it go. That's why smart people look calm in chaos. They don't spiral, they focus. That focus makes them powerful. High performers? They don't control the world, they control themselves. That's the real difference. Filter out the noise. Keep only action. Shift 4. Get comfortable with silence. Most people can't stand silence. They rush to fill it with noise, jokes, arguments, nonsense, anything but silence. Smart people, they own the silence. They let the moment breathe. They listen more than they speak. That's when secrets reveal themselves. The less reactive you are, the more powerful you become. Silence makes people lean in. It reveals what loud people miss. And most of all, it keeps you in control. People fear silence because it feels awkward, but smart people know. Awkward in always advantage. Silence is not emptiness, it's strategy. Shift 5. Don't react, observe. Someone says something rude, most people snap. Life throws a curveball. Most panic. Smart people, they pause, they breathe, they watch. That tiny pause gives them leverage. It gives clarity. Reacting is easy. Observing is power. When you pause, you see what others don't. You become the calm one in chaos. And that makes you unforgettable. Most people overreact and drain their own power. Smart people save energy by observing. One pause, one breath, one observation. Shift 6. Don't multitask. Focus. Most people brag about multitasking. But multitasking is just doing everything badly at once. Brains aren't built for split attention. Smart people, they laser focus. One thing at a time. Focus makes work faster and cleaner. It turns average effort into sharp results. Multitasking drains. Focus energizes. So choose messy many or a sharp one. Shift 7. Sleep is your brain's upgrade. Most people treat sleep like wasted time. They brag about pulling all-nighters. But no sleep, never. Brain running on low battery. Smart people know sleep recharges memory. It clears mental trash every night. Without it, focus and logic collapse. With it, your brain upgrades like software. You wake up sharper, calmer, smarter. So don't skip sleep. It's your hidden upgrade. Outro. 7 shifts to outsmart 90% of people. You don't need a PhD or a giant IQ score. You just need 7 simple shifts. That's the real flex. Calm, sharp thinking. Most won't do it, but you can. Subscribe for more Stickman Science before you get stuck multitasking with no sleep.